First of all, I told you to not click on this video. And if you have clicked, then you have to be mentally present in this particular moment. You need to be completely aware of whatever things you are going to listen in this video is going to relate each and everything with all the circumstances you are having in your life right now. Whatever is going good, whatever is going bad, whatever is going worst, people are saying, talking everything about you, negative, positive, is just people are talking things about you behind your back. Something is happening in your professional life, something is happening in your personal life, those relationships, those startups, so something is happening. Every single thing is going to relate in this video. A very good evening to you all. My name is Shubham Best and I welcome you all once again back to this amazing platform of YouTube named as Happiness Prime, and this is H53 Prime, 54 Prime. I'm very sorry for that. It is H54 Prime, and I love you so much that I am going to share the biggest value in this video, and it is all going to be about patience. Patience is what we are going to learn with examples, with some circumstances in this awesome vlog journey. See, let me tell you just one thing. Inside my heart, I just want to show this world that at 50 years of age, you should have the potential to do the best thing. Just imagine this one thing. What is that one thing which you want to do when you are 60 years of age, or when you are 80 years of age? What is that thing, one thing which you would love to do, which you just have so much cravings for, which thing can just make you so much excited? What is that one thing which you want to do at 80 years of age? If you just think about that one situation, close your eyes and think about that one thing, and you are going to do that one thing. Like right now, imagine, like right now, just speak what age you are at right now. What is your age right now? And at 80 years of old, when you will be 75 years of old, at that moment of time, you will be able to do that thing because you have this difference. You have some 30, 40, 50 years of difference right from this day. So you have a lot and lots of time. Every single human being who looks like you and made it, then you can do. And that is very simple. If you put in the work, if you have all the dedications, if you have all the skills, like you did something, that's why you are at where you are right now. You did something, you had some talent, you put in that hard work, you have did so much hard work that you know better than me. I know just because you are watching this video, but the things which I know more than the things which you know, that is the main exact criteria which we are talking about right now. You have achieved something just because you had the talent, you had the hard work, you did all the good things in life, and you are at a situation right now. Then you have to imagine that at that age you need to do something, and it is very possible that you can do that one thing. Then you have to deploy patience. That is the only thing. Many people are impatient just because they want something, they want to look good, they want good hairstyle, they want good phones, good laptops, they want good bike, good cars, good homes. Like the people want materialistic things, and this is all which is making them impatient. This is all which is motivating them to take loans from the bank. This is all what is just asking them inside that life is small, life is short, life is just thin. You are here living tomorrow, living today, and this day you are just living. Nobody knows that what is going to happen tomorrow. There is nothing like that. That situation can only be used to do the good things in life, to put in the hard work in life. If I think right now that if I can buy one more hosting today just because I need to learn that one special skill which I saw in a YouTube video, and I want to practically implement that, and right now I'm thinking that I have a hosting of 35 GBs, and if I host one more website, then okay, it will be a little bit more, but it's okay. In that case, I should buy the website, and I should practically implement that particular skill which I just learned in that YouTube video. So that way, for doing the extra amount of hard work and to deploy the practicality, I can do that. Similarly, you can do that in that particular case, but to spend more money, to take loans from the bank, to deploy all of the savings which you have to buy a car or to buy a bike is not practicality. It is not what a smart person would do. It is not suggested in any of the autobiographies of all the successful, happy people. It is not one of the things. You cannot buy happiness. You cannot just put all of your savings, all of your years of savings, all of your months of savings to buy something which looks good or to buy something which may make you look good in front of any single person around you. It is not going to give you long term happiness. What it is going to make you is just short term happy. Today you are happy, you have some AirPods and you are happy till tomorrow. You are happy day after tomorrow also, but what happens after that? There's just a piece of box which is in your pocket and now you cannot even throw it out. That's it. That's what people do. That's what people do to look good in front of every single one, and that you need to be aware of. You need to learn more skills. First of all, nobody, nobody in the entire universe, in the entire world can take away some things from you. Nobody can take out, everybody can take away these clothes and the materialistic things, but nobody can take away the values which you have. Nobody can take away the discipline which you have. Nobody can take away the hard work capabilities you have. Nobody can take away the skills, the talent which you have, the properties which you have built in, the values which you have been instilled with. Nobody can take away the opportunities from you. You can create opportunities anywhere you go in the whole world if you have learned something so good and you have put in the efforts and you have put in the hours of hard work behind it. Then it can be seen in these videos. It can be seen if you put in the hard work, if you have put in all the hours of struggle, of this patience, of this stress, of this blood, of this every single thing. So no, you have to just accept this fact that there is no boss or there is no one individual in the entire world who can take away anything from you. But on the other hand, you have to deploy patience, you have to deploy kindness, you need to be humble, you need to be worth of wherever you are. You need to give results. Nobody is going to just accept you being a piece of a piece of human sitting in the place and just occupying a space. If you are working for somebody, if you are at a place where you need to give results, then you have to give maximum amount of efforts to be the to have worth, to be the worth which you say you are. You don't have to just speak, you have to speak by your actions, not by your words. So you need to be present, you need to be mentally aware that whatever happens in life, you are in full control and you have all the capabilities, you have all the belief and all the right values, so nobody can take anything away from you. Whatever happens, happens for good, and you have all the values, you have all the things to do the hard work, you have all the capabilities, the insane capabilities. So deploy patience. In my mind right now, I want to be 50 years old and I want to record myself having multiple startups and proving the whole world that 50 years of age is not old. And then I grow up to 90 years of age and then I'll have multiple startups, successful businesses, which where I'm helping the maximum amount of public. And I'm rewatching this video and I'm showing this to the whole world, that yes, you can do it at 50, at 60, at 80, at 90 years of age. You don't need a college degree. I just dropped out in a pandemic situation in COVID-19 in this 2020 April. I dropped out from Graphic Era University BTech Dehradun in third year, sixth semester. I will show this video to everyone that you have to deploy patience. You learn from your own, once you figure out what talent which you have, once you figure out what good values which you can build from, which you can just have a right perspective, just have the right mindset to do the things which nobody has ever dreamt about. Your circle, your circumstances, the people, the parents, the friends, the closest of the friends will never ever support you because nobody wants somebody to go up and high, and that is one of the values which I'm learning right now. Even I am a human being and I need to learn all the skills which I'm talking. So this is one of the things which I need to learn, to appreciate, to give love without any expectations, to appreciate any single person for whatever things he or she do. At maximum you need to learn to appreciate people. That is one of the biggest thing which you can learn in your process, in your journey. Maximize your appreciation. Appreciate every single person for doing anything, for even breathing, for even walking, for even just speaking, for even putting their feelings out, for putting their emotions out. Appreciate every single person. That is the one thing which can just spread more positive vibes, more loveliest vibes around the public, around the situations where you're living, and around the human beings which whom you are living with. So these all are the values. Have patience. I'm just 20 years of age right now, and I'm dreaming myself having 50 years of age with multiple startups, successful startups. I want to be happy. I want to help lots and lots of people in getting the things which they want, in fixing all of the problems in life, in just having a trustworthy service, having a trustworthy family kind relation with each one of you, each and every single one of you, in every single categories, in all the categories. I don't want to leave any single category. We'll just dominate and help each and every single retailer, customer, business owners, marketplaces, manufacturers, every single one on one platform. We'll do something about it. We'll figure it out. We're just learning every single thing which I can learn in 18 hours a day in this age, every single day. No Sundays, no Mondays, no holidays, no Holi, no Diwali, no Tran, nothing. Work, work, work. That's how you get it. That's how you get it. Work, keep working. Have humbleness, be worth, and always prove by your actions. Don't just speak, do it. I'm going to do it. Bye bye. Keep learning, have all the positive values, and please deploy patience in life. There is nothing which is coming in one night. There is nothing which is coming in 1 month. There is nothing which is coming in 1 year. There is nothing which is coming in 5 years. But deploy patience. Deploy that. Be happy with all the values which you learn in the process. Struggle hard, struggle the worst. Because once you struggle the worst, you become the person which you always want to be. You become a personality which is worth of all the things which you dream or which you want from life. And you will struggle because this is the stream which you have taken, which you have chosen by yourself. Nobody pushed you to be an entrepreneur. Nobody pushed you to start your own startup. Nobody pushed you to just choose a stream which you always love to do. Nobody have pushed you so hard enough to do something which you love to do. It is you who love to do that, and that is why you chosen to do that stream. So you are not going to get pissed. You are going to get happy in the worst circumstances. I hope you get to learn the best from it. Don't judge me on the out all the flashy things. It's all about the values. Keep hustling, keep learning, keep hustling, keep up the positive vibes, and always make sure that no age, no lifestyle, no people, no surroundings can change the reality. It is all inside this. Lose your mind in whatever things you do, and do it so hard workly that there is nothing which is compared to you. Keep up the hard work.